a possibly drastic change in your previous lifestyle. Often the enthusiasm comes with your actions and actions. You will quickly notice that working on your desired figure is a lot of fun, especially as soon as you see the first successes in the mirror and others also give you positive and not entirely envious feedback. Always remember, although genetic predisposition plays a big role, you can still achieve results that inspire you and others. However, consistency and change are indispensable. All weight loss projects can only succeed if there is great desire and initiative. 10 weeks may seem long to you at the moment, but I guarantee you that they will fly by. 10 weeks of desired figure training, 10-week body transformation female. In the following, I will introduce you to a 10-week schedule for your training. It is assumed that at the moment you are rather a mediocre fit and your body is not yet used to extreme loads. Therefore, the plan is also built progressively. Nevertheless, you will only have one training-free day per week in the 10 weeks. Good results need good training. Week 1, Monday, moderate jogging, cycling 40 minutes. Tuesday, moderate swimming 50 lanes, 50 meters. Wednesday, intensive HIIT sessions for about 20 minutes. Thursday, mountain hiking 60 minutes. Alternatively cross-trainer. Friday, 30 minutes strength training with a focus on legs, buttocks. Saturday, 40 minutes of squash or tennis with a partner. Related products https://amazon.to/3sl on weeks 2 to 4, Monday, moderate jogging, cycling 50 minutes. Tuesday, intensive HIIT sessions for about 30 minutes. Wednesday, 40-minute intervals on the elliptical cross trainer, fitness bike, or similar. Thursday, moderate swimming 50 lanes, 50 meters. Friday, 30 minutes strength training with a focus on legs, buttocks. Saturday, moderate jogging for 50 minutes. Weeks 5 to 7, Monday, 60 minutes of squash or tennis with your partner. Tuesday, swim 40 lanes, 20 of them at a high intensity. Wednesday, 40 minutes of full body strength training. Thursday, moderate jogging 60 minutes. Friday, 40-minute intervals on the elliptical cross trainer, fitness bike, or similar. Saturday, intensive HIIT sessions for about 30 minutes. Weeks 8 to 10, Monday, moderate jogging, cycling 60 minutes. Tuesday, intensive HIIT sessions for about 40 minutes. Thursday, 60 minutes of squash or tennis with your partner. Friday, 15-minute intervals on the elliptical cross trainer, fitness bike, or similar. Saturday, 60 lanes of swimming, including 30 at a high intensity.